Give my fingers a rest, guys, because they're going white. Okay, yeah, I'm probably destroying the strings doing this as well. Yeah, as you can see. Okay, so yeah, what I'm gonna do is I know what I'm doing. I might pick this up every so often, this Bouzouki, but what I'm gonna do is notate it. Okay, so I now know what I'm not to be doing at every point. Okay, let's see. Now, if I can just bring back my face. There we go. Okay, so let's see how we get on here. I'm just going to... Okay, now I think I have gone through this already and made sure that the string data is up to date. Yeah, it is. Okay. Dum, bum, dum. Okay, let me see. Bum, 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 So this should be 1, 2, 1, 2. Oops, is that in the right place? No, it's not. Get rid of that. So you see the way that the capo's on 4. These are now open strings for F sharp, C sharp, F sharp, bum 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 da da da. Bum 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 bum. I just copy that in there. Might be better changing this actually. It's a different instrument. Let me see. So just so it doesn't clash. Maybe piano might be nice just to have a different sound. Yeah. Let me see. Keyboards. Piano. I probably have to transpose it differently. Yeah. Okay. Whereas everything's a wee bit an octave lower than it should be. Moving on up. There we go. Minimize this and make this bigger. Yeah, so this is the counterpoint to this. Some students want me to write this in. I'm doing this for another tune that I released, Maids of Mount Cisco. And that's a bit of a nightmare trying to do this, but this one slip jig's actually quite easy. Bum bum bum. And I want to put in the tab as well. Bouzouki chords. And it's on the 4th, so let's get this out there. Oops. Yeah, I don't need you there actually. I can take that and put him up there. Don't need it there. And don't need you. Okay. F sharp minor. Oh no. F sharp minor. Why is it so high up? There's a couple of wee things that I don't like, guys, about like why is this always so difficult to get? Really? It doesn't need to be so high, so I just need you and you. Don't need you. The mixer might make that piano a little bit louder. Bring down the... you see. Yeah. Still a wee bit loud, I think. And it's going to bring down the Bouzouki a bit more. Put it back to the start. So repeat that over and over a couple of times just to see. Here we go. That'll do, I think. It'll do for now. Because this don't want it to be too... I want to be able to hear the melody. I want to be able to hear it even more. I'm just going to shove him up as high as I can. That sounds better in my head anyway. Bum 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 bum. Da da dum. Oops. You should be. Oh, that's not what I'm looking for at all. Yeah, that's right. Bum 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 bum. That should be a 0. That's it. Yeah, and then dum da 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 dum dum 1 2 3 4 5 6 1 2 3 4 5 6 ba 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 bum. So this should be worth a dotted minimum. That would be on the string, wouldn't it? Yeah. Da da dum. Ba ba bum. To figure that out again. Da 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 dum. What was that? So it was. Oh yeah. So it's the 3rd chorus, 3rd fret. Okay. Tabs can be hard for the Bouzouki, especially when you add a capo. Ba ba bum. That should be. Yeah. Da da da. Yeah. Dum da 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 dum. That's gonna be this chord here. Yeah, and so just take this guy. That's one of the things I do like about MuseScore is that you're able to take, you know, tabs you've already written, edit them on the fly like this. So you can have that, and then what is it? This and this. Yeah. Okay, and we're gonna call this just D. Yeah, I'll get rid of the D6, unfortunately. D. Oh, lovely. I'm just gonna copy you. Can I just edit you without it moving? Good. Like, I don't have to go all the way up and down. Dun, dun, dun. Da, da, ba, dum. Da, da, dum. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Ba, ba, bum. What was that? Okay, so and that should be 5 for each. No, it doesn't like that. You keep forgetting to add him. Yeah. Okay. Down, 5, 4, 6, ba, 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 bum. Okay, let's add this and this to here, but change it to A, and move this up to bum. Da, 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 dum. Ba, 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 dum. Keep bringing this Bouzouki back. I can't remember what I was doing. Oh yeah. I forget how to write hammer-ons using MuseScore. Yep, that's what I'm gonna do tonight. This should be. Let me have a look. See, can I do it here? Yeah. Three. And this is a hammer-on. So let me see if there's a way of doing this. If I open up hammer-ons, how to write hammer? How to write hammer-ons in MuseScore. See if there's a way of doing it. They're often accompanied by the letter H as text. Standard way to rotate a hammer-on is by using a slur accompanied by the letter H as text. We'll see. Am I able to do that? It's not allowing me to, but am I doing something wrong? There we go. Okay, yeah. Oh, I put in a tie. That's why I've messed it up. There we go. Be careful. No, the good thing is copy paste job. Yeah, okay, that's everything. Don't need that. Okay, let's have a listen. That should be about 3. Yeah, it should have been. Why did that change? 5. Try that again. Oh, we need to do it down here as well, do it? Yeah. So,